honestly hope that this means good things for his career, kickstart his career again. I don't know, but yeah, Dolph won a match on SmackDown for a contending title, and I'm confused, and I don't know how this happens. But yeah, honestly, the shows this week were surprisingly good. I mean, they weren't like, groundbreaking or something or other, but they were good. Everybody kind of went away.
Oh, you forgot one thing that happened on SmackDown.
Oh, what's that?
In the latest batch of returnees...
Oh, yeah.
We're getting one half of the world's greatest tag team, Shelton Benjamin.
Ain't no stopping me, no! Yes.
It's going to be super exciting. I am so stoked to see him back.
I'm waiting for a fucking encounter backstage between Shelton Benjamin and American Alpha.
Please.
I'm waiting for it.
Like looking in the mirror. On the same tangent, I want to do a quick few-minute rant. Or less than a few minutes, because we got 13 minutes left. But, another person on the list of possibly returning is Melina. And all I can think to myself in the midst of all this is, I understand that you want familiar talent for new talent to work off from. But when you have a Divas division that actually is working really well, use the people that you don't use. For Christ's sake, there are like 500 women there that just get thrown into the back seat.
Yeah.
We also didn't cover the women's stuff from SmackDown.
Oh, yeah. Okay, that's true. I just literally went with the WWE.com results.
It was from the Becky and thing.
Yep.
Shortly after Becky was getting interviewed and whatnot with Renee, we were blessed, or should I say, blissed? Because
we were blessed.
Bliss. I love her so much.
Yes.
Like, we were blessed with this gift of this tiny, compact, amazing woman who actually has talent. And then it kind of got peppered in with other stuff, but it ended beautifully.
So Naomi comes out after Alexa, and then after her comes Carmella. And then very, very hype. I love Carmella. It was interesting to see them having all of these women come out just, to throw their hat into the ring, so to speak. And then the coup de grace of heel, 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 heel. All red everything comes out to this magnificently over-the-top entrance just to piss people off. And the amount of heat that Eva Marie got by breathing inspired me in ways I didn't know I could be inspired.
It was times like
God
that
bless.
I wish Tori was drafted to every show.
Yeah. Shut up, JBL! All red everything! But, yes. But yeah, honestly, it was beautiful. And we love her. We know Mary Kate loves her. And that's, Team Redhead. We love Team Redhead very much.
That's right.
But anyway, so SmackDown was solid. Like, no real complaints. But we're going to close this show out the only way that we can.
Cruiserweight Classic time.
We're going to talk week 3 of the Cruiserweight Do Me Classic, because this fucking tournament is everything and more. This week we got blessed. We were blessed. We were, gifted the absolute gift of Zack Sabre Jr.
Oh, thank you, baby Jesus in heaven. God, thank you so much.
We were waiting. And the fact that we had to wait till week 3, you fucking masochists. He faced Tyson Dukes, which was an amazing fucking contest.
Oh,
and I will tell you what, you will never know professional wrestling until you are immersed in escapology. Zack Sabre Jr.'s escapology methods of wrestling is a fucking beautiful thing. He defeated Tyson Dukes in a great contest. And some of the submissions that he pulls out literally made me cringe.
Right?
What did he have him in at the end of that?
Oh my god. It's like
it was
right off the top of my head, and I can't fucking
it was like an Umpalata armbar combo thing. But as he was going for the ropes, and by him I mean Dukes, Sabre grabbed his fingers and bends them back to, like, add to that, like, disgusting fucking... like, he had this dude fucking arm-barred into East Jesus, and then he just, like, bends his fingers back to make it even worse. And I'm just, like, literally cringing because my fingers ache watching this.
It was terrible.
So, we got to see one of the Bollywood boys, which I was really excited about. I was super excited about Harv Sira performing because I really like his style. I think he's got this like vibe about him that's really likable. Mm-hmm. The problem is he walked into the brick wall that is Drew Gulak. Like it just doesn't work.
Yeah,
we have all the love in the world for Drew. The styles were so different, but the match was great.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
He hit they had a great match, whatever, that's all well and good, but he just snaps this dragon sleeper literally out of nowhere, and he didn't have a chance. Sierra just didn't have a fucking snowball's chance in hell. And so Drew picked up the win with the dragon sleeper, which was absolutely expertly applied and just beautiful. Tony Nese.
Oh my god. You want to talk brick wall.
This dude's he's savage. He is just a savage individual. And he faced Anthony Bennett, which Bennett has a great personality. He's very entertaining. He has charisma coming out of his eye sockets. Like, the dude is absolutely wonderful to watch. Great, very, very quick. Absolutely wonderful to watch. But he just didn't have a snowball's chance in hell either. Because Nese is just... ouch.
He is a train. He is a fucking freight train coming for your ass.
And the match wasn't a power match or anything, whatever. He won that match with a 450 splash, okay?
Oh my god, it was beautiful.
It was fucking textbook. It was absolutely wonderful. It was beautiful. You couldn't have asked for a better finish. And so Nese is moving on to the next round. I'm excited about that because Nese is a great contender.
Oh, for sure.
And then, let's hold Julie down for this one.
Aww. Hold on, I need a minute to grow some again.
So, I don't know who was a bigger fanboy over the Brian Kendrick. If it was Julie or if it was Daniel Bryan.
I think we tag teamed that one that night.
Because holy fuck, Daniel Bryan was literally a one-man cheerleading squad for Brian Kendrick.
It was the cutest thing.
He faced Raul Mendoza, which Mendoza was amazing in the ring. But during that match, he had, he was on the ropes, and, he had, was biting down on the rope or whatever. And Kendrick kicked the rope, and it was really, really nasty. And, for the remainder of the match, Mendoza is, gushing blood from his teeth. And I believe they said he was...
Keep in mind he has braces.
Yeah, I was just about to say that, you know, he wears braces, which makes it even more painful to think about. My teeth ache thinking about it.
Right?
But, you know, Kendrick was amazing. It was wonderful to see him back in the ring. It was wonderful to see him back in a WWE ring. We're all like weepy and mopey, and it was beautiful.
Yeah, I literally cried for like a half hour after that.
And he, you know, and we're not going to take anything against Mendoza either, because that match was absolutely beautiful. Kendrick actually won with a bully choke, which was it was beautifully put on.
All right.
I'm sitting there like, my God, where the fuck did that come from? But honestly, you know, this week was as good as the entire tournament has ever been. You know, seeing Zack Sabre Jr. in a WWE ring was so exciting. I can't put into words how pumped that made me.
Evidently, they have offered him a contract, and I think he's waiting to sign.
I've heard that. But yeah, so we have one more week of first round qualifiers. Then we slip into week 2, or round 2 rather. And next week we get Gargano and Ciampa, and I am very excited.
Yes,
I am very excited about that. That is going to be my match of the night. I can already call it.
Oh yeah.
But yes.
So that was like the greatest week of wrestling in recent history.
It honestly really was, because this week I expected Battleground was going to suck out loud. It wasn't that bad. Raw was decent. SmackDown was decent. NXT was good as always. The Cruiserweight Classic delivered like dominoes. Love it.
You know, I actually can get used to this whole new lineup, because if you have like the pay-per-view, it's on Sunday, and then you have your Raw on Monday, SmackDown on Tuesday, and then you have NXT, and then the Cruiserweight Classic on Wednesday, and then you have the entire weekend to recuperate, or you listen to us on Saturday.
Exactly.
Beautiful.
I love it. I actually was telling Elena that the new lineup for the WWE is really, really convenient, because, like, you know, you don't have that gap in the middle of the week and then you get back into it on Wednesday if you watch NXT, and then you have the gap until, you know, SmackDown, and then you have like the awkward weekend, and then sometimes you have a pay-per-view on Sunday. No, it gets it out of the way. You got your Sunday pay-per-view when it happens. You have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. You're good to go. And it's so much easier. And I don't know, I like getting it out of the way and being like, all right, let's get the day started. Like, let's do this. Like, yeah. It's all good. All right. But yeah, really, really digging it.
Yeah, it was a good week. So, hopefully next week will be better. We got about like 1 minute left, so we will say our goodbyes for tonight, and we will be back next week. Hopefully with an even better Stupid Idiot of the Week. So, thanks for listening, and, professionally speaking, since we are scientists, don't vote for Trump.